Highway driving assist helps maintain a set distance and speed from the vehicle ahead and helps center the vehicle in the lane when driving on a highway. When driving on a highway, ADAS can be turned on and off by pressing the driving assist button on the steering wheel. The set speed can be adjusted by pushing the plus-minus switch up or down. To change the distance level, press the vehicle distance button. ADAS can enter a standby state by pressing the pause rhythm switch or the brake pedal. Pressing the pause rhythm switch again reactivates at the previous set speed. The vehicle stops and starts automatically if the vehicle in front leaves within a short time. The vehicle stops and starts automatically if the vehicle in front starts in a short time. If a period of time has elapsed, start again by operating the switch or pressing the accelerator pedal. In case the vehicle on the side is driving very close, ADAS assists to adjust the vehicle's path. If driving above a certain speed, and operating the turn signal switch automatically changes the lane in the indicated direction. If the steering wheel is not held, a warning is issued for safety. If the hands-off is continued, ADAS deactivate. If malfunction or disable is occurred, the warning displays in the cluster. ADAS can be set under Settings, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, Driving Convenience. Please refer to the owner's manual for details.
Kia. Movement that inspires.
Forward collision avoidance assist helps avoid collision with an object in front or side while driving. If FCA detects a risk of collision with a vehicle, powered two-wheeler, cyclist, or pedestrian in front, FCA assists with emergency braking. FCA also detects potential collision with an oncoming vehicle while turning left. In case of an oncoming vehicle in the driving lane, emergency braking is activated. Risk of collision with oncoming vehicles from the left or right side can be detected. When changing lanes, if FCA detects a risk of collision with a vehicle in the next lane, FCA automatically assists with emergency steering. A pedestrian, who are partially in the vehicle's path, FCA automatically assists with emergency steering. If malfunction or disable is occurred, the warning displays in the cluster. FCA can be set under Settings, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, Driving Safety. Please refer to the owner's manual for details.
Kia. Movement that inspires.